pagdating sa mga spike nila. Pero pagdating naman sa likod, ay hindi sila magiging responsive dito sa mga bolang binabato sa kanila ng Smart Maynila team. Kailangan ay mabalanse nila ang laro nila at mga players nila. Everyone must be able to be quick to adjust and must be attentive in this game. She also added that each one of them is responsible in today's game. Hindi pwedeng inaasa lang nila ang bola nila. It's a very crucial game at kailangan pagdating nilang 20-point mark nila, they have to commit no errors at all. And lastly, to show that veteran smarts in today's game. Noreen?
That's right. No, you have
like a true veteran.
Oo, veteran na rin si Rina. You know, tama eh. Kasi Army yan eh. Kailangan Army kayo, hindi lang isang tao.
Yeah.
Diba? It's an army. It's an army.
Yeah. Dami?
Ang daming army.
Well, so far, 5 attack points each for these two squads. The 2 errors pa rin ngayon yung dalawang koponan.
Good chase by Gohing, but that...
Hanapin natin si Melissa Gohing. Saan siya napunta?
Nasa dulo na.
Ito namang Philippine Army. Definitely, hindi to bibigay ng ganun-ganun lang. Expect the veterans to be more careful, sabi nga ni Tina Salak.
Talaga Tina Salak, no? Sanay na eh. Oh, good block. Good coverage, though. Banatikla. Torres was there. Bautista, good dig, Gohing. Oh,
natawa na siya. Ito pala yung pagkagawa pa lang yan. Napasmile na siya eh.
na-feel niya kasi siya si Ruby.
Oo, sanya hindi ko naman to ginagawa. Ano ba nangyari sa akin?
Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League.
Oh, and a little bit slow to react si Soltones on that last play.
2-point lead para sa Army.
Nene Bautista on the line.
Oh, smart play by Ruby De Leon.
Oh, and Eliza Valdez once again came flying in, but that is long. So, Philippine Army gets another point. Ito na, tatlo. Ito ang gusto ng Philippine Army to pull away at this point pa lang.
That's right, Valdez.
This juncture.
So si Valdez actually not able to connect dun sa back row, no?
Kanina pang long ang back row attacks niya.
O ngayon, nawala na yung confidence niya. So that time, di ba? Normally, she'd go up for that.
Oh, and Bunag. Cross-court sana na sharp. Kaya lang eh, lumabas.
Oo. Banatikla. Good serve. Salak.
Oh, no stopping that. Talaga naman. Yun ang kay Rachel maganda sa kanya. Yung mabilis yung pagpalo niya sa bola.
That's right, Rexona antiperspirant deodorant. It won't let you down.
Halos paakyat pa lang si Sue for the block.
Pababa na yung bola.
Oh, ang bilis ng palo, yung impact.
Yes.
Nung kamay niya sa bola.
One more time kay Valdez. A drop. Basa niyang Army. Dakis. Gohing. Ruby sets it back to Valdez. Pero ang maganda, hindi tinanggal ni Valdez yung paa.
Yes.
So she fell medyo
And then magkadikit yung paa ni Gonzaga, so she fell.
Luck. That's right. Another unforced error para sa Team Army.
But you can see that itong Team Army, yung bawat palo nila, it's as if they're giving it their all.
Yes.
And so, tinataas nila yung power.
Gonzaga to Bunag. Block. Salak sets it back. Dakis. Andun si Banatikla. Ruby De Leon too near the net.
Oh, and Philippine Army reading that hit well as they get another point. Oh, that was close to the net, and Soltones not able to save that one.
That's right. Army this time ahead, 16-13.